In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount code in Love Holidays. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your promo code so it applies correctly and your savings show up before you pay. Start by opening the Love Holidays website or launching the app. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device, but the process is the same. Use the search to find your holiday. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. Browse the results and select the holiday that fits your plans. Next, choose your package. You'll typically be offered a flight and hotel combination, so pick the flight and hotel that suit your schedule and preferences. Once you're happy with the selection, click Book Now to move forward. You'll be prompted to enter your details. Add traveler information exactly as it appears on official documents to avoid issues at the airport or hotel. Double-check spellings, dates of birth, and contact information. When everything looks correct, continue to checkout. At checkout, look for the box where you can add your discount. It may be labeled voucher code or promo code. It's usually located near the price summary or above the payment section. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It's there to apply any eligible offers before you pay. Type your code carefully, exactly as it was given to you. Many codes are case sensitive and won't work if there are extra spaces. If you're pasting it, make sure no hidden spaces sneak in at the beginning or end. Watch out for characters that look alike, like the letter O and the number 0. Now click Apply. If the code is valid, the discount should appear instantly in your booking summary, and the total price will update. Take a moment to confirm the reduction and ensure it matches what you expected. If it doesn't apply, common reasons include an expired code, a minimum spend not being met, restricted travel dates, or a mismatch with the selected destination or board type. If that happens, review the code's terms or try a different one. Once your discount is showing and all details are correct, complete your booking. Proceed to payment, confirm the final total one last time, and follow the prompts to finalize. And that's it. Your promo code is applied and your savings are locked in. Enjoy planning your trip and happy travels.